Mark Zuckerberg's hidden compound worth $59 million. While Mark Zuckerberg deals with accusations that the company he leads is too careless in the way it handles users' personal information, he is cautious in handling his privacy. The Facebook CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, secretly purchased two neighboring estates to assemble a hidden compound on the west shore of Lake Tahoe in Northern California worth $59 million. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. The 34-year-old CEO of Facebook quietly closed on $59 million worth of real estate on the west shore of Lake Tahoe, a popular vacation destination for Northern Californians. And word is he's looking to buy more. The deals were kept on the down low through the use of a limited liability company, a high-end wealth manager, and a series of non-disclosure agreements, which even required that listing pictures of the homes be removed from the internet. It is said that Mr. Zuckerberg is more inclined toward modest properties that don't attract attention, looks to buy up neighboring properties to ensure control of his surroundings. And he likes his homes to be surrounded by foliage to block views from onlookers. For his Tahoe property, Mr. Zuckerberg bought two private estates over several months last winter, putting together 600 feet of private waterfront near the Timberland area south of Tahoe City. According to local real estate agents, homes on this stretch are rarely sold, as they are passed down through the same families. Other residents of the lane include the family of late Hewlett-Packard founder, Bill Hewlett, and the family of the late publishing titan, Charles McClatchy, property records show. The area is recognized for old, modest money, less flash, more hunker in the woods. Mr. Zuckerberg acquired the properties through a limited liability company named Golden Range and used wealth management firm Iconic Capital as an intermediary, according to public records. Real estate agents involved in Mr. Zuckerberg's search were required to sign confidentiality agreements with clauses that forbade them from revealing Mr. Zuckerberg's identity. They were also required to scrub images of properties from the internet. The public records show Mr. Zuckerberg bought the first property, known as the Carousel Estate and formerly owned by the family of the late investment banker Robert Quist, for $22 million in December. Dating back to around 1930, it sits on about 3.5 acres with a rare marina-style pier, designed to support a large yacht, and has 7 bedrooms. It had been on the market for as much as $32 million in 2017. The exterior of the Carousel Estate truly has a charming, traditional feel. The Carousel Estate sits on 3.5 acres and features 8 bedrooms, 9.5 baths, and several wood-burning fireplaces. The estate is said to be separated into 3 living quarters, but it is connected by beautiful breezeways and is all under one roof. There is also a caretaker's home on the property, although it's not certain that the Zuckerberg family employs a caretaker. The second adjacent property, known as the Brushwood Estate, had been owned by San Francisco philanthropist Tamara Fritz since 1996 and had been on the market for $45 million. Mr. Zuckerberg ultimately bought it for $37 million in January. The 6.2-acre property served as the setting for the League to Save Lake Tahoe's annual Oscar de la Renta fashion show lunch, an event widely considered to be the social event of the summer season. The property dates back to the 1920s and has a 5,322 square foot main house with 6 bedrooms, a guest house, and a private dock. The residence also boasts high-beamed ceilings, a private dock, and a hot tub. There's also a 2,293 square foot guest house. Mr. Zuckerberg may choose to demolish the properties and build afresh. Local agents said, if combined, the property would be one of the most expensive ever sold in Tahoe. What do you think about Mark Zuckerberg's hidden compound worth $59 million? Would you like a tour? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.